Hi everyone, Derolo Nixon from Nixon Disability Law. Welcome back. We're coming to you as part of our Veterans Month campaign, where we're bringing you 30 days worth of videos that talk about history, trivia, and important information about veterans and for veterans and the communities they serve. And these will help veterans build, some of them will help veterans build better claims, okay? They help all of us understand veterans and the particular regulatory scheme that deals with them, and also the effects of some of the events in their lives on how they interact in our communities. And I just think that it's hard to have too much information about veterans, okay? So today we're going to talk about the atmospherics. Well, Derolo, what do you mean by that? I mean, what would it make you think if you learned that many, not a small number, that many of the Social Security judges or Appeals Council judges are veterans themselves? Would it surprise you to know that on appeal, where I have an ALJ who's not a veteran, who poo-poos on my veteran client's claim for Social Security benefits, that when I write to the judges over his or her head, okay, the Appeals Council, that I will highlight the veterans' issues, I will highlight the traumas especially, I'll highlight the level of care, I'll highlight the benefits level at VA, and then I'll talk about how there's not substantial evidence to support what the ALJ said on those facts or factors, and that proves successful often enough, okay? Why is that? What is it about the atmospherics? Well, the Social Security Administration is part of the federal bureaucracy, and the Department of Defense is part of the federal bureaucracy, and so people may go from working for some part of the Department of Defense, like the Army, to then working for Social Security and keep their federal benefits, I assume, et cetera, et cetera. But en bref, what it means is the Social Security Administration is populated by veterans, okay? I won't give you a percentage. I'm not certain what it is. I just know that there's enough there. As you move into higher echelons, you're more likely to encounter them, in my opinion. So those atmospherics help veterans. They help veterans who are applying for Social Security disability insurance benefits. They help veterans who have been denied. And I keep it in mind as an experienced practitioner, because when I'm writing my briefs, okay, when I'm making my written arguments about why my client should be awarded benefits, or why the judge got it wrong in denying my client's benefits, I bear that in mind. I bear in mind that many of the readers, okay, of what I'm writing are going to be veterans, and they don't like to see their brothers and sisters under arms being denied the benefits that they deserve, okay? They don't like seeing findings at step 2 where it's an impairment is deemed to be non-severe, and the veteran judge knows, hey, guess what? VA just made this presumptive. Okay, so what's the deal here? You know, why is this being found non-severe at step 2? Don't know, but that's something we can tackle. But anyway, those are the atmospherics, okay? The federal bureaucracy is populated by veterans, so is the Social Security Administration, especially when it comes to the people who adjudicate claims. You need to know that as a veteran, because when you're then writing your application or giving testimony, you need to bear in mind that the person listening to the testimony may actually have military experience. I'll close with one anecdote. I recently had a set of hearings before one judge, and it came out in the second hearing, after, overturning successfully an adverse decision. It came out in the second hearing that not only was the judge a veteran himself, he had served in the same location as my client. And so they could talk about, their perspectives on what it was like serving. All right. So that's the atmospherics, and that's it for the relationship between VA benefits and the Social Security disability insurance benefits process. Once again, hire an experienced attorney who understands the interplay between VA disability benefits and Social Security disability benefits. It can only help you. Thank you.